Hello everyone. So this is the skill test for front-end web development given my coding ninjas. So this is the IMDb clone that I've created. So as you can see, I can search any movie from the API and the search results on the front end. As I type the search results, it gets updated just like the Google does for suggestions. Each search result of the movie is having a favorite button and clicking on which the movie should be added to the favorite movies. For example, I have clicked on movie that is Ape versus Mac Ape. It is added to the favorite, and other movie is Abigail that is added to the favorite, and the third movie is Attack that I've added to the favorite. So this is the movie detail button. On clicking this button, it will show information about the movie like its name, photo and plot, and furthermore it is like release date, runtime and tagline along with the rating of the movie. So on clicking on home button, it will land me to a page which is having a trending movies. So this is the favorite movie button. So on clicking on favorite movie button, it will display a list of all the favorite movies that I have added. So as you can see, uh, this list is having a remove button. So on clicking on the remove button, the movie is removed from the favorite movies page. On clicking on home button, it will again take me to the trending movies. So the code that I've written for this is over here. As you can see, this is the navigation part. On navigation part, I have added two buttons, that is home button and favorite button. And third is a form through which we can search any movie, and it will be fetching that movie from the API that we will going to see later. So this is the code for that. You can see. So this is the CSS part that I've written for this. So you can see. I've given multiple. I've used multiple IDs and classes to give height, width, alignment, and display that could be flags or block, that depends. So this is the JavaScript part. So firstly, I have created an array that is a current movie stack, and I have used selectors. So there are four buttons. There are three buttons that I've created over here. That is home button, search box button, and go to favorite button. So with the help of selectors, we can access any particular node in JavaScript. So this is the show alert function. For example, while fetching any movie from the API, if anything goes wrong, it will simply display an alert message. Render list is the function that is created for movie cards using elements of current movie stack. And I have created a div element for movie card for setting class and ID to it. And this is the code that I have written for template for inner HTML of movie card, which sets image and title and rating of particular movie. After that, here I have used HTML DOM element, which is used to change the content of an element. And after that, I have appended the movie card to movie container. If, for example, while fetching any movie from the API, if anything goes wrong, this will print a message to the main screen So this is the function that I've created, that is function that is print error along with the message that we will be getting from API error message. So this is the get trending function. This is coming from here, from the line number 72, that is add event listener. On clicking on home button, it will call a function that is get trending movies, from which we will be fetching movies through an API, and fetch returns the promises. As since we are getting a response from an API, then that response is converted into a JSON file, and after, since that JSON file will be having a JSON data, and that data we are assigning to results of a current movie stack, and after that render list function is called. For example, if you are getting any error, so dot catch function will catch this error and it will call a print error function, which will be printing the error message on the main screen. So this is a search box for this search box we will be using for searching any movies. So this is the dot value, it is the HTML DOM element, and we are using encode URI function through which we can encode any URI. So URI is just a uniform resource identifier, which is a string that refers to a resource, and encoding a means to put into code or a format. So again, same, we have used dot then response and catch error function and dot catch. So this is the render movie in detail function, so that this will render movies details on web page. So I have used inner HTML, that is a DOM element, to change the HTML content. Here I have given the image path, and here I have given the post path for a particular movie, and with the help of movie.title we will be getting a title of the movie through the fetch API, and same goes for vote average. And in the similar way we will be fetching the information of movie, like movie overview, movie date, movie runtime, movie tagline, through HTML DOM elements, and after that we will be appending that movie detail card to a movie card container. And this is the function that is created to fetch the details of movie and send it to movie details to display. This is the remove function that I created from favorite section. For example, we have added any movies to the favorite and we want to remove it. So on clicking, this will call a remove function which will remove movie from the favorite section. So this is the function for that. Yes. So thank you. Yes, this is it.